Calvin Robertson,
Benny Heron.
file engagement. So Benny, this is the anger ball. Is it okay to be angry?
I'm angry right now. Why are we even? Why I'm here to learn how to not be angry. Why would we even bring that to the table?
Well, this is a strategy ball. It helps you to engage with the other men and gives you some solutions to when we're angry. Is it okay to be angry?
I would say so sometimes.
Yeah, absolutely. Everybody gets angry. Angry is a release of energy, but it's how we release it and the way we release it. So I'm going to roll this over to you. You just pick one and tell me what it says.
Name an unhealthy way you manage anger. When my girlfriend makes me angry, I just walk out of the house, and if I can, just try to go for a walk.
Perfect. Okay. So there's different strategies on here. Let's see. Let's pick another one here. Do 15 seconds of stretching. You know, just let that energy go. Let it go. You'll feel much better, and you'll handle things a lot better. And your family will want to be around you.